The moment you measure Coca-Cola with lemon, something happens that no one expects. Most people have no idea that these two everyday ingredients can create something so powerful. And once you see the final result, you'll understand why this simple mixture has become one of my favorite discoveries. First, cut a fresh lemon in half. Take 1/2 and squeeze all the juice directly into 200 milliliters of Coca-Cola. Seal the bottle tightly and shake it very gently. Don't overdo it, just enough to mix everything properly. Now it's time to transfer the mixture. Open the bottle slowly to release the pressure gradually. Remember, Coca-Cola is carbonated, so never open it quickly. Pour the contents into a larger container and add the juice from the other lemon half. Then add a heaping tablespoon of baking soda. Write your city in the comments below. I want to see where everyone is watching from. Now comes the step that most people would never expect. Add 200 ml of dish soap. That's right, regular dish soap. It doesn't matter what brand or color you have at home. When the dish soap combines with these 3 ingredients, something unexpected happens. You'll see the color, texture, and consistency change instantly as everything blends together. Stir slowly but thoroughly until the mixture is completely homogeneous. The transformation is already underway at this point, although the final effect won't be visible until we apply it. Once everything is well mixed, use a funnel to pour the contents into an empty, clean dish soap bottle. Pour carefully so the foam doesn't overflow. Seal the bottle tightly and give it just a very gentle shake. Write yes if you're going to try this at home. Now for the test. Look at this pan. Greasy, burnt, and full of stubborn residue that most cleaning products can't remove. Normally, you'd have to scrub for ages or use an expensive product, but not today. Put some of our secret mixture on a sponge and start cleaning the surface. The effect is immediately noticeable. The grease dissolves almost instantly. Burnt-on bits begin to peel away as if they were never stuck to the pan. After just a few light rubs, the shine returns, even more so than I expected in my first test. You'll see the grime disappear right before your eyes, leaving the metal underneath smooth, clean, and almost like new. This powerful homemade mixture works far better than most store-bought products. It removes grease, eliminates stickiness, loosens grime, and restores shine. And all with simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Rate this mixture from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. Try it yourself and watch your utensils transform. Come back later and tell me about your results. I love hearing about your experiences, and if this tip surprised you, don't forget to like, comment, and share with someone who needs to see this.